Factors to consider while buying property in Dubai. Looking forward to buying a property in Dubai? Well, now is the time to make a move on your dream. While the pandemic hit hard across the world, many sectors have had a nightmare for the past couple of months and have been thriving to find a ray of hope for things to be back to normal. As for the real estate sector, even as the prices of properties went down crashing, it has indeed benefited them. Every land purchase in the UAE is operated through and within the control of the Dubai Land Department, DLD. The Real Estate Regulatory Agency, RERA, acts as a regulatory body of the DLD. Right time to buy a property in UAE. If one is considering the cost of the land alone, the best time to invest is now. Along with the reduction of cost, favorable payment plans, and interest rates, make investment in Dubai easier than ever before. Legal steps to buying a property in Dubai. There are 4 basic legal steps involved in purchasing a property in Dubai in cash. 1. Buyer and seller agreement. 2. Signing the agreement of sale. 3. Applying for a no objection certificate (NOC). 4. Effecting the transfer of ownership with Dubai Land Department. Fee details. All the fee details regarding the purchase of property in Dubai are listed below. 1. NOC fees. The NOC fee may range between 500 United Arab Emirates dirhams and 5,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams and must be paid to the developer by the seller. 2. Real estate agent's commission. 2% of the purchase price. 3. Transfer fees. 4% of the purchase price with an additional amount paid towards the admin fee. This is paid to the DLD and currently does not exceed 5,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams. 4. Mortgage registration fees. If applicable, 0.25% of the registered loan amount and is paid to the DLD. How long do the legal steps of buying a property in Dubai usually take? The process of buying a house in Dubai can take up to 2 to 10 weeks. Can non-resident foreigners buy properties in Dubai? The freehold property in the Emirate is open for sale to non-residents. Anyone from any nationality can purchase the freehold land in Dubai as per the regulations in UAE. Real estate investment is a huge commitment, and if not planned properly, it can for sure build a toll on you. The procedures may sound simple, but it is always a wise choice to have a trusted ally, a property advisor or a real estate agent.